In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create meetings on Zoho CRM. Let's get started right from the Zoho CRM dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at your main navigation menu and locate the Meetings module. This is where all your meetings are created and managed. Go ahead and click on Meetings to open that dedicated area. Give it a second to load, and you'll see a list of existing meetings if you already have some in your system. To create a brand new meeting, look for the Create Meeting button, usually located near the top of the page. Click on that, and Zoho CRM will open up a form where you can enter all of your meeting details. This is the most important part, so take your time and fill it out carefully. Start by entering a clear and descriptive meeting name. Instead of something generic like call, try using a name that summarizes the purpose, like Product Demo with Prospect or Quarterly Review. A good title makes it easier for you and your team to recognize the meeting at a glance later on. Next, set the date and the time. You'll usually see fields for a start time and an end time, sometimes labeled from and to. Make sure the time zone is correct for your organization, so invites go out with the right scheduling information. Double check that the duration makes sense for the type of meeting you're running. For the location, you have a couple of options. If it's an in-person meeting, you can type in a physical location, such as your office or a client site. If it's virtual, choose an online provider from the options available in your Zoho CRM setup, such as a video conferencing tool. This helps keep all the joining details centralized and clear for your attendees. You'll also see a field to select the host. This is typically the main organizer or the team member responsible for running the meeting. Make sure you assign the correct person here, so ownership, reminders, and follow-ups are properly tracked in your CRM. Now, use the Related to field to connect the meeting to an existing record in your CRM, such as a lead, contact, or deal. This is a powerful step because it keeps all interactions tied to the right customer or opportunity, making it easier to review the full history later. After that, add your participants. You can select internal users from your Zoho CRM account or manually enter email addresses for external attendees. Take a moment to confirm everyone who needs to be in the meeting is included, especially key decision makers or stakeholders. Once everything looks good, scroll down and click Save. When you save the meeting, Zoho CRM automatically sends out invites to the participants you added, along with the date, time, and location or online meeting link. That's it. You've successfully created a meeting in Zoho CRM and ensured it's properly linked, scheduled, and shared with your team and guests.